Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss something really exciting, how we scaled the Bagisto Marketplace Platform to handle over 10 million products smoothly. This is the official blog presented here, where a detailed step-by-step description has been written. We are going to cover each and every point and show you the load times for the admin panel, seller panel, and more. Moving further, we have one Bagisto setup here with the marketplace. Let me show you the data. In the products section, we currently have over 10 million products, and you can check the same for the marketplace products as well. The marketplace products are showing identical results. There are also over 2,000 sellers, and each seller has more than 5,000 products. I'll show you both the admin side and the seller point of view one by one. First, from the admin side. Here are the sellers. As you can see, there are 2,000 sellers. Inspecting the element, we can see that it loads very easily. The maximum load time for the seller pagination is about 590 milliseconds, or even less. You can check it here. Sometimes it's around 104 milliseconds, depending on the time, but overall it loads very smoothly. Now, moving on to the products. There are more than 10 million products. See, the products load quickly, and the maximum load time recorded is 476 milliseconds, which is less than a second. So far, we've checked the products, sellers, and seller products. Next, let's look at the seller panel. I'm logging in as a seller. The seller has been logged in successfully. Inside the products section, there are 5,090 products created for this particular seller. Checking the preload time for this after refreshing, it shows a maximum of 289 milliseconds. You can check again if you'd like. It's always less than a second, which means it loads very efficiently. Now, moving further to the seller's public profile page. This is one of the sellers I've logged in with. Inside the seller profile, there are 4,759 products. Checking the load time here too, the maximum recorded time is 793 milliseconds. That's still less than 1 second, even though there's a lot of data on this page. So that's all about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and hit the bell icon for upcoming notifications. Thank you so much for watching.